Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kosatkina. You're watching Weekly Review of Financial Markets on Insta TV. The US stock indices rallied on Friday on hopes that debt-laden Greece was close to a deal with its creditors, and the Chinese stock market trimmed some of its recent dramatic losses. However, the volatile week marked by wild swings in global markets ended roughly where it started. On Wednesday, trades on the New York Stock Exchange were halted for 3.5 hours due to a technical problem. The Nasdaq Composite advanced by 1.5% on Friday to close at 4,997.70, but it finished the week with a loss of 0.2%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 1.2% to settle at 17,760.41 and eked out a 0.2% weekly gain. All its 30 components finished higher on Friday. The S&P 500 index recorded its biggest one-day gain in 2 months, but its weekly change was almost flat. The benchmark index moved up by 1.2% to the level of 2,076.62. All its 10 main sectors closed in the green zone. At the same time, U.S. Treasuries yields jumped to a 2-month high, hitting the highest mark since early June. Janet Yellen, in her Friday speech, reiterated her expectation that a rate hike will be needed this year. The Chinese Shanghai Composite hiked by 4.54% on Friday, reacting to measures taken by China's government to support the stock market. On Thursday, it climbed by 5.8%. Greece's government late Thursday submitted a new reform proposal, which appeared to be closer to creditors' demands on some of the most divisive issues on the budget, pension funds and the labour market. Cablevision Systems Corporation shares jumped 7.3%, making it the best performer on the S&P 500, according to the results of Friday's deals. Its shares ticked up after an interview in which French billionaire Patrick Drahi commented that he wanted to buy the cable company. Meanwhile, shares in Alibaba Group Holding rose in price by 1.6%, despite the news about top manager Patrick Liu, who had been arrested over allegations of corruption during his employment with internet company Tencent. Alibaba Group Holding shares exhibited significant volatility last week. The stock plunged to all-new low, $76.21 on Tuesday, amid massive trading volumes. Then shares made a slight recovery on the last trading day, rising by 1.6% to the level of $80.30. And this concludes the weekly review of financial markets prepared for you by Insta TV team. Thank you and see you next week. Bye.